Good morning.
Good morning.
Look, I prepared breakfast for you. Ako lahat na gawa na. And I was thinking, bakit hindi ka tayo pumunta ng Tayugan nila? Kasama ni Mama. It's been a while na rin kasi. I'm sure she'll know. Diba? Ay, sarap pakigising na si Bianca.
Tony, wala si Bianca dito.
Wala?
Pumunta kanina si Mama dito. Miss na daw niya si Bianca. Dadalhin daw niya sa amusement park.
Bakit hindi ko alam? Well, at least, okay na din yun na nandun si Bianca. Makakakonsentrate tayo para sa party this Saturday.
Party? Party yan.
Nagpadala ng invitation si Uncle Paul sa amin from the Smith Corporation. Meron daw silang very important announcement. I wonder what suspense is all about.
May clue ka ba? Wala naman ako narinig ng new projects. But I heard he was thinking of acquiring some restaurants.
Or maybe, just maybe, i-a-announce niya na kung sino yung successor niya. Nasa retiring age na naman siya.
Hanap na ba niya yung pinsan mo?
I don't know. Sana hindi. Ako lang naman ang karapat-dapat na maging CEO at next owner ng Smith Corporation. At walang makakaagaw sa akin ang pwesto na yun. Lalong-lalo na yung bastardan ng anak. Anyway, I have to find the perfect, most beautiful gown for that special event.